In the frozen forests of Finland, death moved silently through the snow. His name was Simo Häyhä, a quiet farmer turned into history's deadliest sniper. During the 1939 Winter War, he killed over 500 Soviet soldiers in just 100 days. No scope, no advanced equipment, just iron sights and a bolt-action rifle. Operating in minus 40-degree temperatures, Häyhä became a ghost. He packed snow in his mouth to hide his breath, built walls of white powder for perfect camouflage. The Soviets called him the White Death. They sent entire squads to hunt him down. Artillery strikes rained on his position. Counter-snipers stalked the frozen wilderness. Nothing worked. For months he picked them off one by one, each shot precise, each kill silent, until March 6, 1940, an explosive bullet finally found its mark, destroying half his face. But even that couldn't kill the White Death. Häyhä survived, living until 2002. He never spoke publicly about his kills. Some horrors are too dark for words.